Hey guys, it's Nerdboy Nerdy back with another video. I know I haven't made I haven't been publishing videos for a long time, but I was on a break and I had a lot of schoolwork to do. So let's get started. Ignore the giant building behind us. Today I'm going to be showing you the Time is Money bucket plugin. So the things you're going to need, the basic necessities to create a cash machine, which is mentioned in its bucket plugin page, are 2 pressure pads or plates, depending on which version you're using, 2 buttons, a stack of iron, and a stack of signs. Now, in the 1.8 something edition release, something happens, you can only get 16 signs. 16. Look, I'll click Q 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, blah, blah, blah. I picked some of them up. Either way, so that's the basics of it. Let's get started. Oh, wow, I just placed a block. Fail. Either way, so you're going to start off by placing 2 redstone pressure plates. Then you're going to create 1 block away from the pressure plates, go up 2 on either side. Now create a block right there. Right. This is going to be the basics. Now put 2 buttons on either side of it and put a sign there. Now you're going to see this thing. It says server cache machine created. Now, the basics of it. You step on this. It says hi, your username, time spent, and how long you've been on the server since you've gotten your money. You can press either one of these buttons to get your money. It says thank you, you sold $101.00. So that's basically how it works. Now for the more advanced stuff, this is the pressure pad that actually activates the machine. If you don't go back and press on this pressure pad, the sign will say the same, because this pressure pad is the pad that tells the server to clear this sign over here. It even works like this. Step off from the side. It says thank you, you sold blah blah blah. So what you want to do to prevent people from messing up while they're creating the thing is you're going to go like this. Go like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, ta-da. Now if you want a roof on it, simple, easy peasy, put a roof on it as normal. Get rid of this block here. And a cool thing you could use is barriers. You couldn't see it, maybe you could, but this is a barrier. It's basically something that people use in servers. It's a solid block. You can't pass it, but when you're holding a different block, it still stays there, but eventually it will despawn. So it's like the invisible blocks mod without the invisible blocks. And once you're inside, place these 2 blocks there. And now they can press that, and ta-da, the end. But most people, the only problem is when you break those, you do get that little red effect. So that is a slight problem with it, but who cares? And that is the basics of the cash machine mod, plugin, whatever. There is a slight problem with the plugin. It doesn't work by itself. You need to have a other plugin installed. Currently, all of the working plugins that worked with this mod are disabled. So the only mod you can use on a bucket server, the only plugin you can use on a plugin server or a bucket server is iConomy. 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 The commands are pretty confusing, so I'll give you the basics. In the new edition, only one command works, /money. Only one section of the command works. All of the others, shop, blah, 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 don't work. So that's a slight problem with it. So when you do /money, it gives you the balance, and you can specify what currency the plugin mod thing uses. So that's a useful addition. Now for the full list of mods, sort of like a help index, which I pre-prepared over here, money space ? And it's like iConomy April Fools. I think that may be the reason why it's not working. Either way, /money checks your balance, /money and the name of the account checks another person's balance. And when a person first uses a cash machine, iConomy automatically creates an account for them with a preset balance of $30. This can be changed in the config settings. The /money help command tells you how to use a money command. /money top will give you the top players. For me, it's me with 103 server dollars. Sid and DZB Expert 123 both have 30 server dollars. This can go over, but I only have 3 accounts registered on this, so that's not very effective. /money pay sends money from your account to another person's account. So if I did /money pay Sid, and let's say I wanted to pay Sid $1, but I don't, so you have to log on to get his money. Either way, that would work. /money create in the name of the account. /money create PLZ subscribe, which I ask you to do because I'm sort of sad. I don't have any subscribers, or views for that matter. So if you happen to be viewing the video for the first time, which you probably are, share this channel with all your friends so I can become popular and have a happy life. So there you can see money, create an account with the name PLZ subscribe. Yay. Either way, that's an example account. So now I can give myself using the money remove an account. I'm not removing my please subscribe account. /money give, right? PLZ subscribe, and I want to give you a lot of money, so I pressed 0 a lot of times, hit enter, and please subscribe's account had 10, I think that's, okay, if you know what that is, tell me in the comments, server dollars credited. So now when I do money top, you will be at the top at wealthiest accounts. And now I'm going to clear this, and for every subscriber I get on this server, $1 will be added to the please subscribe account. Alright, so I'm going to remove that amount. By the way, you can use the up and down buttons with the / to go to previously used commands. Now on to the next command, take. Like the server is taking the money, had PLC subscribe account had 10 something or other server dollars debited. So now the account is empty. So please subscribe. to me. Either way, so I've been rambling for 10 minutes. Onto the commands. Either way, so money set. I can set any account's balance to an amount that I want. Money status, check or set account status. Money purge all accounts with initial holdings, which would set all of the accounts back to $30. Slash money empty the database of accounts so everyone has to restart. This is good for delagging your economy server. As you can see in the top, anything in brackets, like that name command right here, is required, and this is optional. So you can do slash money help, and it'll give you the same thing again. So, if you liked this video, please subscribe and join Team Nerd today. By the way, any support is appreciated. If you think there's something wrong with my videos, tell me so I can fix it. Being silent isn't helping. So thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time!